In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 171 by 9 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 9, so we will consider the number 17. We know that 9 times 1 is equal to 9. Subtract, we get 8. Now 8 is less than 9, that is why we will bring down this one here. And we know that 9 times 9 is equal to 81. If we subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 171 divided by 9 is equal to 19. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.